I just got back like an hour. What's going on?
We could do it if you go, yeah.
What'd you get back from?
First.
Nice. Well, we're pretty much promoting environmental science and environmental education and Arbor Day. You know, working in the Forestry division, we manage the trees here in the city of Boise. And it's important to let people know what that means to manage a sustainable, viable urban forest. So you can kind of see, maybe you can kind of tell in the background here, but we have a very wide open space that's up on a hill. And so because of that, we want to plant a tree that will get large at maturity, what we call a Class 3 tree in the city of Boise. Class 3 means large maturity here. So we picked a Kentucky Coffeetree, and that is one of the largest trees in the city of Boise, essentially at maturity. We have some of the biggest ones down at Julia Davis Park. At one time, the state champion Kentucky Coffeetree was down there, well over 90 feet tall. It's very wide spreading, has great shade in the summertime, which is exactly what you want here in Boise, you know, during the hot summer months. So we picked a tree, a suitable tree for this location, and one that we hope will do well for years. The city of Boise has been a Tree City USA for 44 years. We've been a Tree City of the World for 3 years, and we've had a Growth Award for over 26 years. And part of becoming and maintaining your Tree City USA accreditation is celebrating Arbor Day, just like this. So congratulations, you're helping us maintain our City of Trees, or our Tree City USA accreditation. And it also means that we have a management plan for our trees. We have a department dedicated to managing our trees. We have a tree inventory, and we also have a tree ordinance that helps protect some of our trees. This is the Arbor Day Proclamation. Whereas in 1872, J. Sterling Morton proposed to the Nebraska Board of Agriculture that a special day be set aside for the planting of trees. Whereas the holiday called Arbor Day was first observed with the planting of over 1 million trees in Nebraska. Whereas Arbor Day is now observed throughout the nation and the world. Whereas in 2020, in partnership with the Treasure Valley Canopy Network, the city of Boise committed to increasing Boise's tree canopy cover through the Elaine Clegg City of Trees Challenge over the next decade. Whereas, to date, the Elaine Clegg City of Trees Challenge resulted in over 15,000 urban trees planted in Boise neighborhoods, homes, parks, and riparian areas. Whereas, the city of Boise has received the Tree City USA distinction through the Arbor Day Foundation for over 44 years. They have received the Arbor Day Foundation's Growth Award for 28 years and has been designated a Tree City of the World for 3 years. Whereas, trees can help reduce erosion of our precious soils. They lower our heating and cooling costs, moderate the temperatures, clean the air, produce oxygen, and provide habitat for wildlife. Whereas trees are a renewable resource for paper, construction, fuel, countless other important wood products. Whereas trees in urban areas can increase property values, enhance the economic vitality of business areas, and beautify our community. Whereas trees, wherever they are planted, are a source of joy and spiritual renewal. Okay, now, therefore, I, Mike Andrews, City Forester for the City of Boise, hereby proclaim April 4th, 2023, Arbor Day at West Junior High. Thanks, everybody. All right.
This means that we will be able to have more renewable resources here at our school, and that will be able to help our environment and be able to keep it green as our green team and keep it safe for the generations to come.
I think like that Arbor Day is important because like it celebrates like trees, and trees are like a big importance in our society for like resources and oxygen, and just make everything look beautiful.
Tulips, okay.
Happy Arbor Day!